a little to start preventing further climate changes. As Mahatma Gandhi said, you must be the change you wish to see in the world. So if we want the world to change, we must start doing something. And I think that we must find slogans, different slogans at every school for our project. But the shortest and the most appropriate is
in order to measure the light in a house, for example, we can use lux meters, and if you come down, you will see a rotating table in which simulates the Earth. Here we have a model.
Truly did. They would laugh and play, calling me joyously to join them in their fun, never forgetting me, never forgetting I'm the only one. We were all so happy, so free. They asked for only what I could give them when they were young, and I asked for little in which I gave you, my children, a tree, but you chopped it down. I gave you the river, but you polluted it. I gave you the sky, but you blackened it with your never-stopping fires. Will nothing make you love me again? I have given you the world, but you continue to destroy it. Have you forgotten your Mother Earth? What happened to you? What have they done to you?
What? I can't hear you. Speak louder.
What's wrong with you? Why are you crying?
Oh, I'm sick. I feel really bad. My whole body hurts. I feel sad.
Let me dry your
I-
Give me your hand.
Good morning.
Good morning, Doctor.
What can I do for you?
You see, Doctor, today I found planet Earth in the streets.
And what is wrong with you?
He's very depressed and he doesn't look very well.
So you aren't feeling well today?
He can't hear you, Doctor.
Oh, and flowers will bloom. The air will become pure. Animals, fish and insects will not become extinct. And the birds will sing.
That's right. You're the perfect place to live in.
That's how I want you to be.
Oh, You have taken a huge weight off my shoulders. I feel much better knowing that you are going to help me and you will not let me die. But please, tell me this is not a dream.
No, this is for real. We all love you. You're a wonderful girl.
Either increasing, if their numbers are decreasing, so that we will be able to protect them, okay? So in Vrafrona,